Are you a driver in the Lydd, Romney Marsh, Ashford, Hastings or Folkestone area? Looking for a reliable and experienced garage for your vehicle? Usher Motors, nestled in the heart of your community, with a history dating back to 1983, offers a comprehensive range of services to keep your car running smoothly. Discover more on our website. At Usher Motors, we understand that your vehicle is more than just a means of transportation. It's a vital part of your daily life. That's why we offer a broad spectrum of services, from essential servicing and repairs to MOTs by booking. Our expert team handles all models, ensuring your car receives the attention it deserves, regardless of its make or age. Our commitment to providing a personal touch sets us apart. We're not just experts. We're your neighbors, deeply invested in the community. This is evident in our complimentary checks. Whether it's a free winter or summer check to ensure your vehicle's readiness for the season, or a quick tire and washer bottle top-up when you visit our forecourt for fuel. Find out more about our services on our website. Speaking of fuel, our petrol station is a convenient stop for both diesel and petrol vehicles. We're more than just a garage. We're a part of your daily routine in our hometown with a village feel. Our accessory shop, featuring over 500 items, offers everything you might need for your vehicle, from parts to polishes. Your vehicle deserves the best care, and at Usher Motors, we're dedicated to providing just that. We worry about your car so you don't have to. Experience our exceptional customer service and expertise firsthand. Ready to give your car the care it deserves? Click the link below to visit our website.